belongings, and welcome, devoted Novalites, to the first ever super spectacular Supernova Con.
They've recreated our whole diner! Oi! Those are my one-of-a-kind hairbands! 1,000,000 of my sister. This is exactly that nightmare I keep having. My people, I am here! McLaren, why is no one adoring me? Hello? It's me! They must think you're one of them. Like, a fan? Dressed up?
You haven't danced with me in ages. And besides, I don't remember the moves. So, dance with me. You're my manager, and managers do what megastars say.
It's actually the other way around.
Nobody else does, you're more than capable, and no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, our love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? 'Cause I'm stronger by your side.
Don't fret, sweetness. One day you might almost reach my levels of stardom.
I am a star. The starriest star. Good for you. Self-belief is everything. Number one. Can I get you a drink? Ta-da! So, what do you think?
It's made of sweets. That's the greatest dress ever!
Glam and delicious.
Could you not eat my dress, please?
If you want sweets, there's oodles of leftovers. But wait, this is the best part.
Me, myself, and me.
It plays music too. Nice. Is this your latest single?
We just wrote. It's called Me, Myself, and Me, Me, Me. Written by, well, me, myself, and me, me, me.
I think you'll find this song is also written by...
Genius songwriter skills and impeccable dress sense. Just doesn't seem fair on anyone else, does it?
Can we go to the gala?
That's not for the likes of us, Sydney. Besides, it's washing day.
Oh, can we go to the laundry room?
Yep.
Yay! Ready for your big entrance, Nova?
I don't want to be too early. Fashion clock?
Look, at the beep, it will be fashionably late o'clock. Okay, perfect. Kid songwriter, a little beaming down music, please.
Here comes Jonky.
Nova,
Look what he's wearing.
my dress! He's wearing my totally original dress!
Amazing.
Jonathan!
Still no sign of Nova Jones at the Met Gala, despite fashionably late finishing in 3, 2, wait!
A scrunched up paper dream dress.
Fabulous, Nova! Just fabulous! Who are you wearing?
It's a cloho, no joke.
A close horse Nova Jones club.
Together at last.
Oh, goodness, Nova, your dress is amazing.
Congratulations, Nova!
I won! Thank you! I want to thank all the Novalites out there. And there's someone else I really want to thank. Calling Kid Songwriter! This is Kid Songwriter. He's written so many songs with me. P.S. I'm sorry I took you for granted. I'd only be half a pop star without you. All right, stop waving. This is still my night.
Let's move it. Let's groove it. You want to be the best? Let's prove it. Oh.
You tell him, Boulder. Make us awesome-tacular.
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Knees up high, straight to the sky. Yeah.
Self-balance mode activate.
Here we go. Here, yeah.
Have no fear, we're almost there.
Dressamatic, change my outfit. No, times a million. Retro. I need retro fashion. Old and classic. I wore this 3 minutes ago.
What about this one?
No, keep looking. God, the Dressamatic is being so slow. I want an outfit that screams yesterday. Now!
Well, that is what you wore yesterday.
It's being so slow.
Not to worry, the battery just needs changing.
Hurry up. Honest to God, nobody understands why costume is so important. Nobody.
I think we're all...
Nobody. Retro outfit. No. Not this. Anything but this.
Oh, gosh. Nova, that's one of your costumes from when you were...
Don't say another word.
I haven't seen you in that outfit since.
Silence.
Oh, what's going on? Is it a game?
Nova, you're so sensitive about...
I'm not sensitive about the time we never talk about. I don't even remember the time we never talk about. Why is everyone going on about the time we never talk about?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh, boy. Wait, why do people say oh, boy? Why don't they say oh, girl?
Ooh, you found Nova's Don't Notice Me coat.
Or what?
Another thing normalites don't understand.
You know how sometimes we need to sneak Nova past her fans without them seeing her?
When I wear the Don't Notice Me coat, the fabric technodoodles make it so they don't notice me.
Sid, you want to help back here? It's quite a long way to bend down. Where's Sid?
I'm right here.
Sydney!
He can't see or hear me?
Nobody can. Well, I can. It's my coat.
Wow! Amazing!
He's waving his hands in front of my face, isn't he?
Ovs blob. Get me out of this costume. Is my machine ready yet?
Needs a smaller battery. Give me 20 minutes.
Plug it in. I need my new outfit.
But a battery this big is way too much power for the Dressamatic.
Plug it in.
No, but maybe you shouldn't.
The most powerful Dressamatic in the universe at last. Time for the most retro vibes ever.
Nova, stop!
Dressamatic, take me back. Make me super retro. Nova, don't! What the honk? Whoa, this is just how my sweet used to look. I think have we gone back in time?
Super retro? Back in time to when?
This is the time we never talk about.
Why don't we talk about it?
I don't want to talk about that.
Why not? What's so...
Nova, come on, it's rehearsal time. Positions. Ready. I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye.
And I'm Nova Jones.
And together we are...
Three's the charm.
Three's the charm.
Oh, girl.